Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. The best internet resources about DIY, smoker barbecue. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about DIY, smoker barbecue is houseplaisance.net. See the page titled Home Ideas Barbecue Smoker Building Plans. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.texasbarbecues.com, especially the page Barbecue Smoker Plans for the DIY Meat Smoker. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.popularmechanics.com. The web page Build Your Own Backyard Smoker, Popular Mechanics. Here's the link.